Sonnet with Sonnet's Garden Blooms. I want to welcome you all back to my channel. Now in today's video, we are going to do something a little different. And normally I provide you guys with a ton of content with like DIYs, thrift hauls, thrift flips, things like that. Today we're going to chat a bit. I want to give you some insight into things that have been going on in my life, and I thought this would be a great opportunity to do that. Plus, at the end of the video, I am going to tell you a little thing that you got to be watching for, so stick around till the end. But let's go ahead and get started. So first and foremost, Cranberry Fest. Everyone has been asking, did I make what I wanted to make? Absolutely, I did. I always set like an extended goal, like a really super hard to reach goal. I do that because I've been in sales my entire life. I just always push myself to do the best that I possibly can. And did I make that super extended goal? No. Did I make my goal that I wanted? Yes. So looking back at last year to this year, last year I was able to get a double booth, or we had a 4-pod last year for free. Well, we paid for our 2-pod, and then the people behind us never showed up. So we were able to extend into that 4-pod, and that is why we did so phenomenal last year and by paying half the amount. So I had to remind myself this year, like, I made this extended super amazing goal because I thought, oh, we're paying double, we should be making that much more. But not thinking about last year, we already had extended, so that's why we did so good last year. So the amount that we made this year was outstanding, and I'm totally excited and happy about it. The second question that has been coming up a lot too about my tent. So far, where it stands is I called the company. The actual top of the tent is warranted for 6 months. The frame is for a year. So I was able to give them a call. Then I do now, at this point, I have to send photos over to them to show them the defects, and then they're going to get back to me. So at this point, I don't know what is going to happen. They seem very easy to work with, but honestly, it's been raining here and I have been like working on a ton of stuff. So I have to set it all up, take the photos, and then send them off. So that is going to happen this week. But I know that a lot of people have been asking about the tent and what had happened. And if you don't know the backstory, I did buy a super expensive 10 by 20 tent, very high end. The construction of it is amazing. I've had quite a few tents in my time of doing vendor events, and this one is like super sturdy. But unfortunately, the top on the corner ripped the very first use, which should not happen. And it was right on the seam. And then one of the side walls also tore right on the seam, which I feel like the first use never should happen. So I'm hoping that they just send me replacements and all will be good, but we will see. Yes, and top sellers, my trees were a top seller. Basically like my stars, my barn quilts, anything I handcraft were my top sellers. All my other fillers, yes, they sell, but I can't say it was like a bestseller because my upcycles are onesies and I don't have more than that. But yes, all my handcrafted items, they go over extremely well. And I was extremely excited about Cranberry Fest, and I do have a video out there. I will put it in the description if you guys want to see like from start to finish of like the setup to the day of and all that good stuff. But yes, that was the Cranberry Fest wrap. So next, my channel, you guys. I want to give you guys all a shout out. 20K. I never in a million years thought I would be here at 20K. I honestly, when I first started this channel, I thought, oh gosh, if I can hit 1,000 subscribers in a year, I will feel so blessed. Like my goals were just, I thought that was a huge goal. You know, like I always try to strive to be the best and provide the best content, and I always am trying to be better for you guys. And when I hit 1,000 subscribers within 6 weeks, I almost died. And then I hit 10K within less than a year. Like, I think it was like 8 or 9 months. And then now 20K in a year and a half. I feel like, you know, like I said, I just want to be better for all of you. So keep the feedback coming. Let me know what you guys want to see, where you want my channel to grow. Honestly, I want to give you so much more content this coming year. I have been working behind the scenes in my yard on a bunch of stuff. Believe me, I have a lot of ideas we're still going to be doing like DIYs and all that good stuff, but the channel is just going to expand and be better than ever. Fingers crossed, I hope. But yeah, I want to show you guys so much more, bring you along for just a lot of other ideas along the DIY, thrifting, and all that good stuff. So yes, I just want to again, thank you for just following along and always watching, sharing, liking my videos, making comments. That all helps with the YouTube algorithm. I do appreciate it, guys. So let's go on to the next. All right, next topic, my studio. So I also have been getting comments about, did you do the reveal? Did you do the reveal of your studio? I have not. I have an electrician, and he was finally able to come out. And if you guys don't know, I have lights, okay? So he came out on Wednesday. He hooked up my lights, hooked up all my fixtures, like everything. Like I had one outlet in here, and I had a power strip, and everything was ran to the power strip. So if you guys were on my live on Wednesday, actually he came Thursday. So when you were on my live on Wednesday, I went to unplug my glue gun, and I accidentally I thought I blew out the whole my one switch. I'm like, oh my Lord, the whole thing went down. But I accidentally hit the little button and it turned off all the power I pulled it out of the light socket. That's what it was. Because at first I thought I hit the little switch. No, I pulled the whole thing out of the light socket. So we had no power. And I quickly said goodbye, and I'll see you guys Monday. It was funny, but I freaked out. And so then he came out Thursday. He did all of his things in here. And now he's coming back out. He's finishing the outside lighting. He has some really cool lights that he's putting up outside. And then he's going to rewire all my light fixtures on the outside of my home and garage, and he's redoing the inside of the garage. So hopefully even then I can bring you along in my woodworking shop, because he's gonna make it very bright in there. Currently, it is not. So I'm excited about that, but now that I have lights, I feel like I can do the big reveal. So in the up and coming weeks, I'm definitely gonna give you guys, I'm gonna finish decorating, finish a few little things in here, and then we're gonna do the reveal of my studio. So be watching for that, but because I know I've been receiving a lot of comments, and I'm sorry. I just have so many balls juggling right now that it's hard to keep track of everything. Trying to finish multiple projects at one time. So that's the wrap on the studio. So the next topic, this one I have been very stressed about. It's organizing and feeling overwhelmed. So one of the things, because you know from the last clip, I had to have Sparky come over, my electrician, and he's gonna be in the garage. And I feel like I'm confessing my sins. I have a hoard, and it's a hoard, guys. I mean, I feel like every thrifter, crafter, DIYer has some sort of hoard, and I had comments from last week saying, show us organizing your garage. And honestly, I couldn't. I looked at it and I was like, I think I might be embarrassed by my hoard. And I literally started going like, I was organizing, and I did 2 days straight. 2 days straight I worked on that garage. and I ended up buying 2 metal racks, and I'm going to show them here. The metal racks, oh, they just are so nice. They were a little bit expensive, but I have those I'm going to put in one area of the garage. That is going to be all my organized items that I get from thrifting. Then on the other side of the garage, my friend, he gave me a shelving unit last year, and that is going over on the other side of the garage, and that baby is huge and it is super heavy duty. That is gonna house all of my barn quilts, all of my woodworking supplies, like that type of stuff. So I have been just really stressed out about this because in order for Sparky to get at my light fixtures, I have to organize the hoard because it's just, there's so much. I felt like I was scooting through areas of the garage. So I had, the picture I had just shown, I had sent to one of my friends, and she's like, oh my gosh, your garage looks so clean. I'm like, that's a corner. I still haven't yet organized the whole pile. So, but anyways, so with that said, I have been like, today I wanted to do like some type of flipping video, and my mind has been on organizing, cleaning, getting like the studio ready, getting the garage ready, getting like things like my booths ready. And I honestly was feeling so uninspired today to flip something and do something. And I just needed to tell you guys. So I thought, why not sit down and just have a heart-to-heart chat with you guys and give you all the details of what's going on in my life and why I'm feeling so crazy and overwhelmed right now. Organizing can be hard, and I feel like it's really hard today. So, but I feel really good. And it was good that Monday I had to step away and do my video, and after I get this all edited and uploaded, I am actually going to start crafting or doing something, and I can't wait until tonight's live because I have something really fun for us to do tonight. But anyways, so that was all the details on my organizing and all that good stuff. So let's go on to the next topic. So my next topic, my membership group, Sonnet's Creative Network membership group, and it officially opens today, October 17th. The doors will be open until October 28th, and you have during that period of time to make a decision and if you want to be part of our membership. Currently, it's a closed membership, so I open it every 6 months. That's going to be the schedule, to open it up for a short period of time every 6 months. The reason I do that is that I want our group of ladies, well, currently there's ladies, but we do have one fella joining us this next time already. And, but I want us to get to know each other. I don't want people to be coming in constantly out where I'm spending so much time getting everybody acclimated to the site. So we're gonna do a kickoff after the 28th and welcome you guys all into our membership. And we are here to encourage and support each other. And everybody is so positive and upbeat and offers so much to the membership group. So if that is something that you are interested in, really taking your business to the next level, definitely reach out. I can provide you all the details of the group, and you can email me at info@sonnetsgardenblooms.com. So I hope to see you guys in the membership. If not, you can also, I do have my group page that you can go over there and share your ideas and your flips and your thrift hauls and all that good stuff. So I have that. And then with that said, I also have my next topic, my Facebook page. So my Facebook page, that is something I have been trying to provide much more content. I know you guys follow me over here on YouTube. If you haven't done so yet, if you could go over and follow me over on Facebook. I'm also going to be, I'm on Instagram. I'm trying to dabble in Pinterest. I said TikTok, but what does that really mean? I don't know. We'll see. I can only tackle so many different platforms at one time, but Facebook is where I definitely want to grow. So if you haven't yet, go over, follow me over there. Every Monday and Wednesday, I do lives over there and we do different DIYs. I'm gonna see where that goes. I'm trying to, at first I was terrified, you guys, terrified to do a live. I did it and I ripped the Band-Aid off. My husband hates it when I say that. I'm just gonna rip the Band-Aid off. But I did, and it was not as bad as I thought. And actually now every Monday and Wednesday, I totally look forward to chatting live with everyone, seeing how you guys are all doing, working on a project. So that's what I've been doing now, working on projects. So we'll see where that goes. Maybe we'll go on like a thrifting mission together. I haven't dabbled in that yet, but we will see where everything goes in regards to the lives. But they have been super fun and I have enjoyed them tremendously. So come on over, join me. And let's DIY and craft together at this point. And like I said, as my channel grows over here on YouTube, I'm hoping that a lot of that happens over on Facebook and it just transforms into something amazing. So that is Facebook. Now, what you guys have all been waiting for, my announcement. So I'm going to give you a date, December 1st. If you guys remember, on December 1st of last year, I kicked off the 12 days of DIYs. So I have something in store for you guys. On December 1st, I am kicking something off. I can't tell you, it's a secret, but be marking your calendar. So December 1st, over here on the YouTube platform, I am kicking off something. So at 5 o'clock, you guys mark your calendars, mark it on your clocks. I am going to be releasing something on December 1st, and it's going to be good. I have been brainstorming, like I have been thinking about this for months actually, and I was like stumped. I'm like, what can I do? Something fun, something different. And all of a sudden, before my live last week, on my Wednesday live, I'm sitting there and all of a sudden it just like a light bulb went off and I'm like, yes, I got it. And that's what we're gonna do. So mark your calendars and we will see you then. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I had a lot of thoughts and there were a lot of different topics. You may or may not like this type of content or this form of video. I know many of you love to see thrift flips, like DIYs. But again, I just wanted to give you an update on my life, what was going on. It's like crazy busy right now. And on Friday, I plan on continuing on with some kind of DIY or flip. But again, I just wanted to say thank you all for following my channel, and I cannot wait to see where it grows. All right, well, you guys have yourself a great week, and we will see you Friday. Bye.